How to send money on PayPal. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to first go ahead and open your PayPal account. So I'm using PayPal here on PC right now because it's going to be easier and more convenient for us, but you can do the same process or the same steps if you're using a phone. So once you are here, you can just head over to the option there. It says send. Go ahead and click this one right here, and then what you're going to do is here type their name, username, email, or mobile number. Make sure they are in your contacts though. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pretend try to look at one here. Alright, for example, you have here people on PayPal, and then there is the username as well as the business. Or if they're not business, you can go ahead and click them. It's most likely going to be their personal name. Now go ahead and click this one right here, and then you can go ahead and enter the amount that you want to send, say for example like that. And what is this for? I'm just going to go ahead and try to say here family or payment or whatever. After doing so, just go ahead and tap the next option right here, and then you will be asked to link a payment method. So if you already have a card, you can go ahead and link a card here, or you can even link a bank account. So choose between the two methods which one fits for you the best, and afterwards you should be able to get this done. And that is how you are going to send money on PayPal.